Autec Sushi Robot, ASM865. ASM865 includes an auto supply function. This function automatically produces rice mats without the constant need to press the start button. ASM865 features two styles of rice mat productions. Produce the rice mat directly onto seaweed, or place seaweed onto the rice mat after it's produced. Easily switch between the two depending on your need.
The auto mode button. There is no need to press the pedal repeatedly. The machine will make rice skin repeatedly. This is the adjust panel. Press two product buttons to make the machine make two rice crusts in a row. Press the pedal to come out to rice skins. The machine can make rice wrappers of different sizes.
Autec Sushi Robot, ASM410. A compact commercial sushi robot that simulates the skills of a traditionally trained sushi chef, produces up to 2,400 rice balls per hour. Adjust the firmness and weight of rice balls with the volume adjustment button. Keep sushi rice at an ideal temperature with the heat retention system. Compact design and simple structure makes this sushi robot's daily maintenance fast and easy. Speedy production with a delicious result. Autec Sushi Robot, ASM410.